Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide Snapchat photo video without installing any application in iPhone and iPad and as well as Android devices. This is Snapchat built-in feature. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. First of all, we have to launch App Store. We are not going to install any application, we are just update the Snapchat. Tap on search and search for Snapchat. Snapchat is fully updated. Now we launch Snapchat. Your photo section, snaps, stories, camera roll, and my eye only. We have to tap on my eye only and need to be a setup a password protected. Then go back to snap, select the snap, tap on three dot in top right corner and tap on my eye only. Tap move. Now go back to screen, memory screen, and tap on my eye only. Put passcode and then you are able to see your photo that you move in my eyes only. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.